So this is a new series that I wanted to do to show the futility and the stupidity of the must get in front mentality and other driving woes. And so here we start as a driver as opposed to a cyclist in Clapham Common, and here we see a bus signalling all ready to get out, but of course nobody can let it past. So I let the bus out as per the highway code, and you can see he's saying thank you right here, and very soon in a second he's about to pull over because there's a police car coming. And guess what the plum behind me decides to do? Yes, overtake. With it nearly get a speeding police car up his rear end, which, quite frankly, he or she deserved. Now, does said person take that on the chin, wind their neck in and get behind the bus and, just take it easy? No, they're straight out and at it again. And, later jump to red and all sorts of things. I don't know what it is about zip cars. I have seen recently about 4 cars on central reservations. 3 of them were zip cars. They seem to be driven by people who probably don't drive enough. But anyway, Major Plum. So if you were driving GC18UXJ on Thursday, the 18th of June, at about 10:33 on Thursday morning, around Clapham Common, you are a major must get in front plum. And just stop it.